Hello student, today we are going to see the next topic, that is coelom. Basically, what is known the coelom? In the zoology, the principal body cavity in most animals, located between the intestinal canal and the body wall, is known as the coelom. So, the coelom anatomically they are studying it in the terminology. The coelom is the main body cavity in most animals and is positioned inside the body to surround and contain the digestive tract and other organs. In some animals, it is lined with mesothelium. What is the coelom in humans? Humans are coelomates. They possess a true coelom. Human possess a coelom that segregates into various unconnected cavity of the body while developing. It is a cavity not found in the human adult but in the embryonic phases, which splits into this cavity. So what is the good example of coelom? Coelom is a fluid filled cavity between the body wall and gut wall of the animals, and the coelomate animals possess coelom between the body wall and digestive tract. For example, you can say the annelidans animals, mollusks, arthropods, and the pseudocoelomates animal have the body cavity that is not lined by the mesoderm. So in the introduction, we have to see this evolution of this coelom. It is one of the important event which further help the formation of efficient body systems to support growing organs and distributed material. The body cavity also act as shock absorber and protect the internal organs. And coelom is the main body cavity in most of the animals. Without coelom, the animal cannot be survive in comfortable. And it is located the all the intestinal body wall of the animals. The body cavity is an a coelomate. It is an lack of internal body cavity, and the tissue filled region from the mesoderm and the endoderm. एंडोडर्म म्हणजे बॉडी कॅव्हिटीच्या आतमध्ये असणारे लेयर आणि मेझोडर्म म्हणजे बॉडी कॅव्हिटीच्या बाहेर असलेली. सो दी characteristics of flatworms. The cephalizations, the example of this coelom is the sensor organs in the front of head to sense food, danger mates. One of the best known flatworms is the tapeworm. The tapeworm can get into a person's digestive tract and grow to enormous length, and the flatworms are found in marine and freshwater. So basically there are major three types of the coelom. First one is the acoelomate, second one is the pseudocoelomate, and third one is the coelomate. So you can see this type of the acoelomate, the flatworms. Pseudocoelomates is also one of the parasites or animals, coelomates. Then this gut endoderm we have to observe in the muscle layer, mesoderm, ectoderm, endoderm, muscles, and the coelomates organs. You can see this the phylum Platyhelminths, that is flatworms, planarians, tapeworms, and flukes is an example of this phylum Platyhelminthes, they are come under the coeloms. Then you can see this body cavity. Coelomates lack an internal body cavity. You can see this body cavity is the digestive tract. You can observe the endoderm and mesoderm, and tissue filled with resin from the mesoderm. And how it is this coelomates? They are muscular skeletal type, that is the flatworms, and this flatworms has no skeleton. It has tiny bristles called the cilia that help it move, as well as 2 layers of muscles under its skin, and it has 3 cell layers called the endoderm and the mesoderm and the ectoderm. एंडोडर्म म्हणजे जे शरीराच्या मध्यभागी असलेले, मेझोडर्म म्हणजे बाहेर, आणि एक्टोडर्म म्हणजे आउटर लेअर. त्याला आपण 3 लेयर्स ऑफ सिलोमेट्स किंवा सिलोम म्हणतात. आता याची जर स्टडी आपण करायला गेले तर त्याच्यामध्ये अगेन दी सिलोम इज कॅटेगराइज्ड इनटू 2 टाइप्स, दॅट इज बेसिस फॉर्मेशन, नेमली द स्किझोसिलम आणि एंटेरोसिलम. आता स्किझोसिलम म्हणजे काय? It is present in the protostomes of the organisms, and the body cavity or coelom originates from the splitting of the mesoderm. And the enterocoelom, it is present in the deuterostomes, that is known as the deuterostomes. बेसिकली सिलोम म्हणजे काय आपल्याला समजलं पाहिजे की सिलोम इज अ लिक्विड फ्लुइड कॅव्हिटी बिटवीन द बॉडी वॉल अँड गट वॉल. म्हणजे गट वॉल आणि बॉडी वॉलमध्ये असणारा जो भाग आहे त्याच्यामध्ये लिक्विड फ्लुइड कॅव्हिटी असते, त्याला सिलोम म्हणतात. इट इज लाइन्ड बाय द मेझोडर्म, एंडोडर्म अँड एक्टोडर्म. अगेन दिस एनिमल्स इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 groups, mainly coelomates, pseudocoelomates and acoelomates. Okay, now the flatworms, when we are going to study the nervous system of the coelom, the flatworms has a very simple nervous system with no 2 nerve cords running down either side. It has 2 simple brains called ganglia, which are simple bundles of nerves. It has 2 eye spots that helps it sense light. When you can observe this system, that is pharynx, gastrovascular cavity, eye spots, ganglia, ventral nerve cords. Excretion of the coelom. The flatworms get the flat body of the animals right of waste through the same opening it takes in food. Also have phloem cells to get rid of excess, and the respiration is diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide from the worms of their animals. Intake the oxygen, inhale, exhale the carbon dioxide. So this system also occurred in the coelom of the animals. And the reproduction of the coelom is sexually and asexually. That is, sexually means the hermaphrodites. Hermaphrodites म्हणजे those animals having a both characters, male and female, that is hermaphrodites. And simultaneously that animal, they are process their fertilizations. And asexually means a flatworm reproduces by the splitting in 2. When a flatworm is split up, it immediately forms a new flatworms, that is the flatworm regeneration. So this type of the reproduction occurs in the coeloms of the हॅबिटॅट्स. सो बेसिकली आपल्याला माहिती असल्या पाहिजे की सिलोम हे बॉडी कॅव्हिटीमध्ये लिक्विड फ्लुइड्स आहे आणि ते ॲनिमल्समध्ये असते आणि प्रत्येक ॲनिमलच्या बॉडी वॉल आणि इंटेस्टायनल कॅनल्समध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात. अँड देर आर फॉर्म द 3 जर्मिनल लेयर्स in the embryonic development, and the inner layer of the coelom is lined by the mesoderm epithelial cells.